To adapt to rising customer demands, businesses need flexible technology suited for a wide range of applications. To keep you ahead of demand, Barcode implements uniquely designed technology like Honeywell's PD45 printers for optimal printing performance. Do more with a device designed for high-volume printing within enterprise environments, and that's equipped with an advanced industrial printhead to support both direct thermal and thermal transfer, ensuring excellent performance. Plus, each printer comes with Honeywell's patented dual sensor positioning technology to support a dynamic positioning function for accurate paper feeding. Protect productivity with Barcode to efficiently adapt to customer demands with purpose-built technology that delivers reliable performance with every run. Contact Barcode for a free evaluation of your current printing solutions.